Multiple dashboard warning lights appearing simultaneously often indicate complex interconnected issues rather than isolated problems. Understanding these patterns is crucial for proper vehicle diagnosis. Modern vehicles contain dozens of interconnected systems, each with their own warning indicators. When multiple lights appear together, they often share common root causes. Electrical system failures are among the most common causes of multiple warning lights. The Engine Control Unit, or ECU, manages communication between various vehicle systems. An alternator malfunction can trigger battery, engine, and power steering warning lights simultaneously. Ground connection issues create intermittent problems affecting multiple systems. ECU problems can cause cascading system warnings as the central computer loses communication with various vehicle modules. Sensor network failures represent another major category of multiple warning light causes. Modern vehicles rely on dozens of sensors communicating through the CAN bus system. CAN bus communication errors disrupt data flow between vehicle systems. Mass airflow sensor problems can affect engine, transmission, and emissions warning lights. Wheel speed sensor failures impact ABS, traction control, and electronic stability systems, often triggering multiple related warnings. Modern vehicles use standardized color coding to help drivers understand warning light priorities. This system provides immediate visual cues about the urgency of different issues. Red lights indicate critical safety systems requiring immediate attention, such as engine temperature, oil pressure, and brake system warnings. Yellow or amber lights signal maintenance-required situations like check engine lights, transmission issues, or ABS problems that need attention soon. Green and blue lights provide informational status updates for systems like turn signals, high beams, and cruise control. Ignoring multiple dashboard warning lights can lead to serious consequences. Early attention to warning lights prevents minor issues from becoming major problems. Statistics show that 34% of major vehicle repairs could be avoided with proper attention to early warning signs. Most importantly, ignoring critical safety system warnings can compromise vehicle safety and put drivers and passengers at risk. When multiple dashboard warning lights appear, your first step should always be a diagnostic scan. Use an OBD2 scanner to read the error codes and identify the root cause of the problem. Next, check for common issues that cause multiple warning lights. A failing alternator or degraded 12-volt battery are frequent culprits, especially in hybrid vehicles where the auxiliary battery powers critical systems. Try universal reset methods to clear temporary codes. Disconnect the battery for 15 minutes or use your OBD2 scanner to clear specific codes. These methods can resolve software glitches that cause false warnings. Ensure your vehicle's software is up to date. Modern vehicles receive over-the-air updates that can fix bugs causing false warning lights. Check with your dealer or manufacturer's app for available updates. If problems persist, seek professional diagnosis. Professional shops have a 92% first-time accuracy rate compared to 67% for DIY diagnosis. The investment in professional help can save money by avoiding unnecessary repairs. Prevention is key to avoiding multiple warning lights. Perform regular diagnostic scans monthly, address amber warning lights before they become red, and maintain your vehicle according to the manufacturer's schedule. Proactive maintenance can prevent 34% of major repairs.